Scientific notation. This is a digital lesson, and it starts with a definition of what scientific notation is and why it's used, and then some real life examples, very large numbers, and then an example of using scientific notation for very small numbers. And then it shows them how to convert a number to scientific notation, and it shows students the pattern, how to multiply times 10 to a power. So the first slide the students are going to work on is slide 7, and they're going to look at each one of these and they're going to type in the correct exponent. So here it would be just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And it tells them to stop when they have one number to the left of the decimal point. Next slide has them actually coming up with the numbers that are equivalent to 67 million. Then it shows the students to change a number in standard form. They just count the decimal points. So if the decimal point and a whole number would be at the very end, and they want to move that decimal point to the left 1, 2, 3, 4 places so that there is one number to the left of the decimal point. So if they're moving it 4 places, it would be 4 9/10 times 10 to the 4th power. So then students are going to multiply. They're going to change these numbers in standard form to scientific notation. Then it shows students how to change from scientific notation back to standard form. And they're going to write all these numbers in standard form. Then they go on to the small numbers. They're given examples of how this works with a negative exponent. And then students are going to type in the correct exponent for each one of these. They're going to type in the decimal that's equivalent. And here they're going to change these numbers to scientific notation. Then they have scientific notation and they're going to change to standard form. And these are all for the smaller numbers. And then the final slide gives them a challenge, a word problem that they need to figure out using scientific notation. So this is a digital lesson. I hope the students enjoy.